Hey everyone, it's Logica X. Welcome back to another video. So first of all, sorry I haven't been making too many videos recently. Trying to find the time to make a video is one thing, and trying to get in the right mental space to make a video is another. Life is still a confusing, chaotic mess for me right now, but I'm slowly trying to work through it. Anyway, today I'm going to be attempting this challenge lock. This is Panzy by Albert Lebel. So we will jump right into this, get it clamped up. And we'll see if we can't get this one picked on camera. Now I have picked this one off camera before, but it is definitely quite a bit of a challenge, so we're going to see if we can do it on camera today. So I'm going to use top of the keyway with this Sparrow's flat bar, and of course my go-to pick. Okay, we've got a little binding. I think that one's on 2. Oh, already got some counter rotation. Okay. Not sure about 3. My pick is definitely getting jammed up in this keyway. It's just thin enough to fit between all of the warding, but only just. I think I gotta click on 5. Yeah, it's just thin enough to fit between the warding, but it still gets jammed up. So I might have to switch picks here once I get into a bit more of a false set. That kind of feels like counter rotation. I think that might be 5. No, not sure about that. Getting some weird feeling off the pins back there. Yeah, this pick isn't working. It's getting jammed up between the warding. So I'm going to switch to this Sparrow's SS Dev and kind of work off the ledge here. Okay, I think that was, yeah, that was counter rotation on 1, I believe. We got into a bit deeper of a false set. That might be counter rotation. That was definitely a click of some sort. Not sure what pin that was. That was like 3 or 4, somewhere in the middle of the lock. Yeah, it's really hard to try and weasel this pick in underneath some of these pins. Okay, I think that was 5, and I'm in one heck of a false set now. Alright, just trying to find some more counter rotation now. Okay, that kind of felt like counter rotation. Oh! Again, thank goodness this core isn't spring-loaded. Holy cow. But we got that open. That was pretty quick. Alright, let's get to gutting this one then. Let's see what Albert put inside this one. Alright, oh, my worst favorite type of core. The one with a little bullet that loves to shoot you right in the eye. Okay, looks like we safely disarmed that missile. We will, of course, get a shim up in here. Always good practice to shim a lock. And I have a new surprise today. I printed out a set of followers. So, no more cruddy little pen cap. Let's see if these actually work. Ooh, like a dream. Look at that. Okay, it's just a little 5-pin. I guess I might as well show off the key now. It's actually pretty not so exciting bidding. But definitely had some crazy pins up inside. Ooh, oh yeah. Holy cow. Alright, just in the key pins alone, we got tons of craziness. Holy. First one was spooled like crazy. The second one's got some serrations. Looks like 3 and 4 have nothing. And 5 is covered in serrations as well. Alright. Let's get our driver pins out. Oh man, having a proper follower is so nice. Oop. Ah. Okay, the spring in number 1 was a little bit damaged. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, looks like all these springs are in pretty rough shape actually. Come on, get out of there, spring. Okay. So, again, of course I will flash some images up on screen of all the pins. Yeah, for slot 1, there was a heavily spooled key pin and this driver pin. It's rather interesting. Let's see if I can get a close-up of that one, actually. So, kind of lightly spooled, but it's angled in the middle. I don't know if there's a proper word for that. A mushroom pin? That might be like a mushroom pin. The number 2 driver had a very light spooling or serration on it. Third driver pin, very heavily spooled, but almost like some serrations in the middle of it. See if we can get that better in focus. That's not too bad. Fourth driver pin, Again, very heavily spooled and tapered in the middle, like slanted. And then the fifth driver, two very heavy rounded serrations. Very interesting. Oh, looks like we have some funkiness in the core here. So, oh, we have some very funkiness. Okay, so let's see if I can bring this up to the camera. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. So you can see the slot 2 and 5 are threaded, and slots 3 and 4 actually have countermilling in them. I think this is the first time I've actually dealt with countermilling. Very interesting indeed. Quite the challenging pick, even though I got it open on camera pretty quick here. Must have been a fluke. Luck of the camera, I guess. Yeah. Actually, gonna see if I can do a close-up of key pins 2 and 5 here. Because they are very heavily serrated. They look awesome. Yeah, there's the fifth one. Very heavy serrations. Anyway, yeah, that is about it for this lock. Yeah, so that was super fun. This was, again, Panzy by Albert Lebel. I will get this back together off camera, of course. And yeah, that's about all I have for you. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And don't forget to have a good one.